Israel tells everyone in Gaza City to leave. The Israeli military has told all residents of Gaza City to evacuate south to central Gaza Strip amid intensified operation in the north. Leaflets dropped by aircraft instruct everyone in Gaza City to leave what is described as a dangerous combat zone, while designated safe routes marked as two roads that lead to shelter. The UN has said it is deeply concerned about evacuations order being given. It is the second time since the war began that Gaza City as a whole has been asked to evacuate. Over the past 2 weeks, Israeli forces have re-entered several districts where the military believes Hamas and Palestinian Islamic Jihad fighters have regrouped since the start of the year. Hamas has said Israel's renewed activity in the city is threatening to derail negotiations over a potential ceasefire and hostage release deal, which resumed on Wednesday in Qatar. The talks are being attended by the intelligence chief of Egypt, the US, and Israel, as well as Prime Minister of Qatar. Top Hamas official told AFP that Israel is trying to pressure negotiation by intensifying bombing operation displacement and commenting. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin's emphasized Israel's commitment to deal as long as its red lines are preserved. The people of Palestine and Gaza said, I will not leave. There are estimated to be more than a quarter of a million people still living in Gaza City. Some were observed evacuating to now, and after the Israeli military dropped leaflets there urging them to leave, which an Israel official later told the BBC was a recommendation rather than an instructions. Others who were not willing to leave, I will not leave Gaza City. I will not make the stupid mistake that others have made. Israeli missiles do not differentiate between north and south. Resident Ibrahim Al-Barbari, 47, told the NBC News, if death is my fate and the fate of my children, we will die with honor and dignity in our house. He said the Palestinian Red Crescent said it had received calls from some residents who were unable to leave their homes because of the intensity of bombing. The information coming from Gaza City shows residents are living through tragic conditions. Israeli occupation forces continue to hit residential districts and displace people from their homes and refugees shelter, it said.